Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today, I give you an introduction about our biomass pellet machine main shaft. As you can see, this is the complete part of our main shaft. This main shaft connects with the gearbox output and the two roller assemble. And this complete unit of main shaft, you can see that it's a complete part, complete shaft solid. And with no breakage, so it can ensure the power transmission and reduce the energy lost. And on the main shaft, we fit with four bearings to increase the power transmission. Some manufacturers, they fit only with three bearings, which will affect the pellet machine working condition. Okay, everyone. If you have any questions about Longze pellet machine, please send your inquiry to our team. That's all for today's introduction about Longze main shaft. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.